I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming remote control is possible. Check whether the speaker uses Bluetooth, LE, Wi-Fi, or a vendor app. Once done, open the vendor app or Bluetooth settings on your phone and sign in if required. This is how commands route to the speaker. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location services are enabled because many systems require them for discovery. If the speaker sits on Wi-Fi, ensure both devices are on the same network so you can reach it remotely. Now you take action. Open the app or the Bluetooth menu where the speaker appears. You want to choose disconnect or power off. Use remove or forget only if you plan to repair later. If the app provides a remote power or sleep command, use that instead because it shuts audio circuits safely. Make sure you wait for a confirmation or status change. This tells you the speaker received the command. If it remains connected, try sending the command again after a short pause. Finish by verifying the speaker shows offline, disconnected, or the LED goes dark. That confirms success. If it still plays, revoke pairing or remove the device in your Bluetooth list to force a disconnect, because that severs the link immediately. Once done, make sure the app permissions still allow reconnect later. Troubleshooting tip. If remote commands fail, reboot the speaker or cut its power briefly. This resets state and usually resolves stuck connections, so you can try the remote process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.